Now that the summer is over, I'm sure you're finding more time for your crafting projects, but maybe you need a little inspiration to get that kickstart. So today I'm going to go through all 11 of these projects, and hopefully one or more will inspire you to get in your craft room and make some cards. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Linda Bartolucci, and I really appreciate you being here today. If you wouldn't mind clicking that like button so that YouTube will share this with some more people, I would really appreciate it. Today, what I'm going to share with you is a swap that I was in. I have my 11 favorite cards right here, and I am going to tell you who the artist was and kind of talk through why I like the card and what I would recommend you guys giving a try. So this first one is a Halloween card. It's from the Scary Cute bundle. I love the bundle because it's really emphasizes the black or the shadow of Halloween cards. I love how she just used some scrap behind here to make the base layer. And I also love that she just used Versamark and clear embossing powder to make those characters pop right here. This card was created by Tammy Martin. All right, second up, we have one of my favorite bundles from the December holiday catalog. This is the Bewitching Bundle, and I love this witch hat and punch that goes with it. It coordinates with this black and white paper, and I love, again, that this is just a geometric background. It's just lots of rectangles layered creatively using the white and the black, some basic colors to really add pops to your card. And inside, there's just a nice white space for you to write your greeting, because when you have a darker color card, you most likely will want to put that lighter color on the inside of the card. And this card was made by Betty Sakoja. This card comes to me from Yvette Sanchez. This is from the Poinsettia stamp set and bundle that is in the holiday catalog. I love her use of the ribbon as really a layer. It's not really a bow. It's truly a layer for the way that she squiggled it back and forth and attached it to this cute circle. This element right here is from one of the new punches that I do believe is in the annual catalog, but I will leave a link below to all the products that are showcased in all of these swaps. So if you look down in the description or at the coordinating blog post for this video, you will find links to everything that is used. I also like her color scheme, which is Mossy Meadow and Real Red and Crushed Curry. I just love how she combined all those colors together. This card comes from Barb Enoch, and I love that it's kind of a fun fold. It's called a Bookmark Fold. It gives you the ability to showcase two patterns of paper, which she did here with the gnome paper, and also add some ribbon without it getting bunchy or in your way for your card. So it's actually kind of like a square card with that extra element right here. It's also great for gift cards. If you don't completely seal this, you can tuck a gift card right in there. I love the gnome designer series paper, and I also enjoy this Ringed with Love stamp set and coordinating die and embossing folder that make these great logs right here. Keeping in the gnome theme, this card comes from Nancy Giuliani, and it is again a fancy fold kind of fun card. She used the decal dies to create this awesome fold out. So she used one of the smaller decal dies and then an even smaller one here. And then when you open it up, you've got all of these different layered panels. Leave a comment below if you like these kind of fun folds, and I will be sure to add them into the lineup of videos that we have going over the next few weeks. All right, next we have this really beautiful Christmas tree themed card, but she used some really different colors, which I absolutely love. This is Bermuda Bay and Coastal Cabana. Not colors that you would generally think of for a holiday card, but I just love the way she made it work. So she stamped a bunch of trees in the background here to get this pattern going, and then added two trees and die cut them on top of a torn piece of Bermuda Bay cardstock. And this card comes to us from Joyce Farraco. This card is from Jane Allison, and I really love this. It would be a great mass production card. All of this All of these are dies, and then you have your embossing folder here and some designer series paper. You're using a really economical amount of designer series paper, so you could get a lot of cards from one 12 by 12 sheet. You're also able to, over time, stamp and then die cut these and stamp your greeting. So it lends itself really well to taking a couple of steps at a time when you have an hour to block out or maybe more to stamp your card and do the die cutting and get it all assembled. On the inside, because this is garden green cardstock, she left it blank, which is just fine because this is a swap. But if I was sending this as a holiday card, I would definitely have white on the inside, probably a greeting inside of there too, just to finish off the whole Christmas theme of the card. This card comes from Francesca, and it is using the very popular Scotty dog bundle that you'll find in the holiday catalog. She also did a lot of embossing here. She's got the greeting embossed, which I really love. And then the coordinating paper that she used also has, I'm hoping I'm catching the light, also has some gold shimmer to it as well. I like how she just used a basic circle to kind of break up all of the rectangles that are everywhere and really make that Scotty dog pop off the card. Again, she is using shaded spruce as the base of her card. So this is a swap. We didn't do anything on the insides. That wasn't a requirement for the swap. But if I were sending this as a holiday card, I would definitely add a white layer inside and some sort of greeting. This card comes from Deb Fennell. And again, she's using that cute Scotty. She just die cut it. She actually ran this through an embossing folder and then added a black matte dot for the eye. And this is a fun fold as well. So the tag here is kind of keeping it closed, and then you can flip this over and you've got space for your greeting. So the tag goes back inside and it goes just like that. So it's actually, the card itself is cut down a little bit, and it's this mat that it's laying on that is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. That's what brings it to its A2 size. Last but not least, we have 2 fall cards. This one is from Diane Carr. She used some gold foil die cut greenery to accent the card and then coordinated it with a couple of gold beads here. This is actually stamped. It's not designer series paper, but she did a great job adding multiple colors of stamps to each, or multiple colors of ink to the stamps to give you this really great fall motif. Again, nothing on the inside. I think I would put a vanilla on the inside since that's what she used here, just to finish it off. This card is from Lisa Yamato. She used the same bundle. This time she actually die cut the large leaf itself and just stamped these leaves here on this side. You can see the leaves, the stamps themselves have been made to create shadow just by the nature of the stamp itself. But then when you add multiple colors of ink to it, it even looks more amazing. Again, this is on a vanilla card, so you don't really need to add anything on the inside, but I do love that she added one more leaf right there just to finish it off. So I hope that this gave you some ideas on what you can create with products from the holiday catalog. If you need any help, please reach out. You can always connect with me on Instagram at Ink Stamp and Scrap, or on Facebook on my Ink Stamp and Scrap page. I look forward to seeing what you're creating this holiday season. If you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up before you leave. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you know when I post my next video. Have a great day.